In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock and click on Screen Lock. Following that, just tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password, and create it. Then select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you're ready, select Confirm. Now you need to answer this question by clicking on one of the available options. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!